Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today, Margie, stop! I'm gonna go on Tornado Siren Map. I wanna see. Okay, so once this loads, okay, my mouse is getting laggy. Sorry for the mouse lag. Okay. Stop. You know, I'll just cut for a minute. I don't want to waste time. Or no. Oh, never mind. So here's the Tornado Siren Map. It's actually called Northeast Ohio, or Northeast Ohio Tornado Siren Map. Come on. Alright, let's search for one. Ohio. I live in Warren, Ohio. There's like a ton of tornado siren. There's a well in but I think it's called a well in vortex. No, it's a well in WPS 4004. This one is. Oh, this one has a video. Oh, this one's at Champion. It's on Champion Road. I don't know. Wait, I don't know. No, it's on Leavittsburg. It's a Federal Model 5. Over here on Palmyra is Federal Signal 2001 DC round back. It says first Saturday. We're doing first Saturday of the month at 12 o'clock. So they actually changed the every Saturday at 12 o'clock into first Saturday of the month at 12 o'clock. But at Youngstown, it's still the every Saturday. Wait, what's this? This one is a Federal Signal Eclipse 8. If you find this, I don't know, but here's another. There's a Federal Signal. Hold on, Federal. I didn't want that. I wanted the tornado siren. Okay, it's Federal Signals 2001 SRN. It's at the Lion Park. Oh, what's this one? This one in Leavittsburg is American Signal T128. I never see this because it's by here's one on Tall Avenue. Federal Signal 2001 SRN. It's at Warren, Ohio. It's a location near McGuffey PK8 school. It's tested every Saturday of the month. First Saturday of the month. Here's a Federal Signals 2001 SRN. It's at Warren, Ohio. It's located in Summit Street Northwest and Mahoning Avenue. It's tested every Saturday of the month at 12 o'clock. Ooh, what is this one over here? Ooh, a Federal Signal 2001 SRN. Howland Township, Ohio, located at Howland Township Fire Station, hashtag 31. Tested every Saturday. The yeah, it it's in use, but the rotator is broken. So there's a one on Sam's Club. Oh wait, this one's a Federal Signals 2001 DC, Howland Center, Ohio. It's located at North Road and Intermediate School. Okay, it's near a school. It's first Saturday at the month. What did I mean? Okay, Federal Signals 2001. That's the one. Okay, Warren, Ohio, located at Rio Court Northwest. Oh, that's weird. First Saturday at 12 o'clock. Wait, so it's not first Saturday of the month? So it's just first Saturday. Oh, okay. Federal Signals to SON. Warren, Ohio, located in N River Road Northeast. It's tested every first Saturday of the month at 12 o'clock. Check that one. Ooh, there's one on N River Road Northeast. Federal Signals 2001 DC, Howland Center, Ohio. Okay. And I did saw one on Highland because we drive near it sometime. Federal Signals 2001 130, Niles, Ohio. It's always first Saturday of the month. I don't know what to do. Oh man, there's like tons of tornado sirens around. I can't even find the one that's on Highland. Just look for Highland. Where's it? Okay. Wait. It's this way. Hold on. Let me zoom in. Zoom in. Okay. No. Oh man, I still can't find it. Where is it? Here's Summer Street, Town Avenue. Keep going. Oh, here's Island Road. Okay. Oh no! Stay there. You stay there. What else? Okay. Oh, I passed it. Oh, no. Alright. A Federal Signal 2001 130. I remember this tornado siren. It's like Northtown, Ohio. Located at Tate Road and Highland Avenue. I know. Every Saturday of... Wait. No way. Wait. This one on top of that. This is Jefferson over here. Where the mouse is at. The tornado siren is right over here. Come on. Red Signals 2001 130. Northtown, Ohio, located at Todd Avenue, Southwest and Western. Okay, I'm gone. No. Why is Summit Street? Summit. Wait. I'm thinking. Why is Highland and Todd Avenue tested every Saturday? And why is hold on. Why is Summit Mahoning Avenue, Summit Street is first Saturday of the month? at 12 o'clock. No, it's in Warren, Ohio. I guess it's Lordstown. It's probably in a different city, so that's why. Cause wait, is this tested every second? Wait, Warren, Ohio. I didn't even read the description. Located in Warren, possibly first Saturday at 12 o'clock. Oh, so they don't know when they test. They don't know how, if it's the first Saturday at 12 o'clock, because you can see the question mark. It says probably first Saturday at 12 o'clock. Yeah. They don't know. Oh wait, there's two signs blended together. Oh wait, no. Federal Signals 2001-130, Lordstown, Ohio, located in the Lordstown Fire Department. Every Saturday, 12 o'clock. Okay, wait. This is. Can I? Yeah, it's. Wait, what was the other one? Oh, okay, it was the Federal Signal. If I can. Okay. Federal Signal Model 5. I can't see it. Model 5-7. Wait, so this is first Saturday at 12 o'clock. Wait. First Saturday at 12 o'clock. First Saturday. Okay. Why is there two sirens are separate? The Federal Signal is every Saturday. Wait, what was this one? No, I don't. No, not the Federal Signals. The Federal Signal model. The Federal Signal model is like first Saturday at 12 o'clock. Yeah. Okay. You know what? I'm kind of fine. That's ooh. Wait. Am I too far from Warren? I'm too far from Warren. I'm on Newton Falls. Well, oh no, I can't find a way. I can't go back. Where's Warren? I'm lost. I'm lost in Warren. I'm lost in Newton Falls. Where's Warren? Where's Warren? I can't find Warren. Warren, where are you? I'm trying. Wait, did I? No. Wait. I'm okay. I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. I'm in Pittsburgh because that's a well end, and that's the. Wait, is that right? Yeah, it's the same thing. Alright. Yep, I found it. And then lost it. Alright. Oh, there's another tornado sign. What's this one? Federal Signals 2001 SRN. Holland Township. I think I already said this one. No. It's located at Highland Springs Primary School. Tested first Saturday at 12 o'clock. Federal Signals 2001 SRN Howland, Ohio location. I think I read this one. Alright. American Signal. Okay. Oh, I don't think I did this one. Federal Signals model. Alright, I'm gonna end this video. Oh, I'm gonna end this video at so I hope you enjoyed your day. Okay, bye. Bye, everybody. Come on. I'm stuck. I can't.